Hello everyone, welcome to our channel One Step to Success. In this video we learn about how to install VS Code editor with complete setup. First of all, you go to the Chrome browser and type VS Code and hit enter. You go to the first website and go to the download section. You can download for different operating system based on your PC. This is the current version of Visual Studio Code Editor 1.85, and in my case I using Windows operating system, so I will click on the download for Windows. So I click on this download window and downloading is start. It will take some time based on your internet speed. After done, you go to the file explorer, then click on this, it means this PC, and go to the download section and you can click this 2 times. Accept, click on next button, next, and you can create a desktop icon. You can tick out this and next, install. It will take some time for installing process. Finish. You can select the theme you like. I select a dark high contrast, and after VS Code installation we can download the compiler. To go to the Chrome browser and new tab and type MinGW and hit enter. Go to the first website, source for, and click on this and go to the download section and click on download. Download starting in 5 seconds. Wait and watch. Downloading is completed, and go to the file explorer, this PC, download section, and click on this, install, continue. It will take some time for installation. Then click on continue, and you can right click on the mouse and mark for installation. In every case, mark for installation, mark for installation, mark for installation, mark for installation, and last one, mark for installation. After that, you can go to the installation and apply changes and click on the apply. It will take some time, 30 minutes. close dialog automatically when activity is completed. Close dialog automatically when activity is completed. Take out this one. Then close this window and going to the this PC file explorer and Windows C drive and go to the MinGW folder. Click on this to the bin and copy the path. Ctrl+C to copy the path and minimize. You can search the environmental variable and open. Click on the open and click on the environmental variable. It has two sections, user variable and system variable. You can click on the user variable, new. You go to the user variable and path, click on the and new and Ctrl+V, then OK, then OK. Windows+S, type CMD and hit enter. Maximize and type GCC and enter. GCC fatal error, no input file. It means compiler has successfully installed in your PC. Then you can check out this GCC fatal error, no input file. इसका कहने का मतलब कि आपके PC में कंपाइलर सही तरीके से इंस्टॉल हो चुका है और you go to the Visual Studio Code and open and go to the extension and type C and C++. Click on this and install. After installation, you can click on the code runner, type code runner. Click on and select code runner, install. After installation, go to the file and add folder to workspace file.